Hi guys, kamusta? As you can see, no, medyo nasa isang busy area tayo and we are in Jalan Alor. Sharing sa inyo guys, no, ito yung KLCC station kung saan tayo galing kanina, no, coming from Suria KLCC. And you know, just the same as Hong Kong and Singapore, yung mismong line ng Kuala Lumpur MRT LRT stations are also interconnected. So since nandyan tayo ngayon sa KLCC, which is here, ang next natin na pupuntahan ay Bukit Bintang. So we may need guys, no, to somehow cross somewhere here and para makarating tayo sa Bukit Bintang. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so ito, kukuha na tayo ng ticket guys. Bukit Bintang, dalawa, okay, for 5 ringgit. Pasok natin dyan yung pera and then lalabas yung token from here. Okay. Hours of there, dami. So, yung MRT nila guys, no, merong women only coach, so which is naka-color ng pink. Meron din naman tayong ganyan sa MRT natin, no, sa Pilipinas. So it's just ano lang, sharing, no, na meron din sila dito. So tara, let's try and check to explore Jalan Alor. First stop pa lang, no, makita natin guys na sobrang wasyang masarap. Yeah, cold, yeah. Okay, so let's try. Sugar cane, juice. So, price 6 ringgit. Ginagawa lang siya dito, no. Let's try. Yeah. Yeah. I think malasa and good.
Ringgit, 1 puro ringgit, 2 piece 3 ringgit, 4 piece 4 ringgit.
Yeah, maybe we will get the 2 pieces. Yep. ₱3. So ang pangalan nito guys is Apam Balik. So for 2 pieces, ₱3. Okay? Mainit pa siya. Still hot. Hindi ko lang kung ano yung laman sa loob, no? Pero para siyang oatmeal. Yeah. Oatmeal na merong laman na corn sa loob. It's good, ah. And quite cheap. So I think this is called Kambing Golek. So ito guys, tingin ko ano to, masarap din to. And normally kadalasan nakikita natin to sa ano no, sa Thailand. And yung mga coconut base nila ano, na dessert. I think this is also somehow good, no? Mukha siya masarap. Our first food for the night, no? So, meron siyang kasamang chili sauce. And the sea. Okay. So, open na natin siya, guys. And may init-init pa siya, so halatang bagong luto talaga. Can't open the sauce. Ayan. Okay. Oh, sobrang sarap. Mainit nga lang siya guys, no? Pero yeah, perfect na perfect yung lasa ng sweet and sour sauce. So we ordered mee tarik, no? So ganito yung tsura niya guys, no? And I think yung price nito is 14 ringgit or roughly mga nasa 150 to 160 pesos. Okay? So let's try. Let's check the soup first. Still hot. Yeah, this is good, ah. I mean for 14 ringgit, sarap siya. Cut mo na lang yan. So, let's see guys, no, yung mismong pinaka mee tarik niya, yung binili natin no, na 14 ringgit. Made fresh in front of you. Yeah. Medyo lumambot na nga lang siya, but I think lasang-lasa mo pa rin yung fresh, no, na noodles. Still hot. Let's try the beef noodles. The beef slice. Last na.
Chicken.
Sarap eh. Spicy chicken skin. Good, bagong luto. Eh, ano, medyo sobrang anghang lang guys. guys, para mabalanse yung mga kinain natin kanina, no? Noodles, so chicken skin. Kuha tayo no, na one of the famous dessert dito sa Asia, which is the coconut ice cream. Okay? So, let's try. This is it. Pinaka-perfect dito is yung creaminess niya, tsaka nakaka-refresh talaga siya. Howdy. So good. Okay guys, so tapos na natin yung purpose and mission natin dito sa Jalan or / Jalan Binta or Bukit Bintang. And nakuha na natin yung mga food. So I think nabigyan na namin kayo ng mga tips kung paano kayo makakatipid, lalong-lalo na kapag nandito kayo sa Kuala Lumpur. So see you again sa ating next vlog. Bye!